Hey everyone! Wow, my first day back in the shed and I've got some printing done. While I've been in the house, I've put together a new kit. So this is an autumn inspired kit. 17 pages in total, 6 main pages, which are, as you can see, there's one. And we have number 2. Number 3. What I do actually want to say, before I go any further, these are printed off on photo paper, which is what I normally use for the main pictures in my books. And when I was just sort of printing them off to proof them, this was just normal. It's a bit thicker than copy paper, but it's just on a normal print, and you can really see the difference. That's what I'm looking at. So that was quite a surprise when I haven't done this for such a long time. So the difference in colours is quite marked. So just something to be aware of. So, sorry, back to the beginning. 1, number 2, and number 3. I love that little harvest mouse. And number 4. Decidedly pinkish orangey colour to this one. And that's 5. I think that one's probably my favourite page. I really like that. And number 6. Now, I've done a backing page, so that's the first one with lines, and the other one is the same as, but no lines. So it's an either or, really. It's up to the individual. That's another backing page or a filler, and so is that one. And then I've done 4 of these, which I personally use for the centres, but you can make all sorts of things with them. I've seen people have sent me pictures where they've sort of folded them up and made little sort of booklets with that on the outside. Oh, it's brilliant. The ingenuity of these people. Love it. So I've done 4. So that was 1, 2. That was the 3rd one. And that was the 4th one. And then there are a page of envelopes. And some note cards. I'm just seeing if that fits in the screen. Not really. So if I show you the top 2, and then the bottom ones, and then a sheet of, well, I've printed these out to use them as journaling cards when I do it. So look, these are early, sort of late 19th century, early 20th century calendars. So there's Octobers, November, Septembers. So those are the first sort of bottom. I'm sorry, I'm having to show you because I've got my camera just set up on my desk at the moment. It's a bit awkward. Right, so there we go. I will put the listings below for these so you can have a look at them and see which. It will be listed on Etsy. It will also be listed on my website. Website's a bit cheaper because it doesn't have all the stuff that Etsy puts on it and adds on. They'll both be there. You pay your money, you take your pick. I am starting to put together a book, a journal for this, so hopefully, now we have a bit of time at the moment. Should be done, hopefully, for the end of next week. All right, you take care now. I hope you're all keeping safe, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.